Welcome to day three. So, I'm sorry I couldn't show you all on day one what I was completely eating, but today I will show you what all I'm going to eat the whole day, and I'm also going to show you a recipe for soya, which is very easy to make and it's also protein rich food. So, I think you all will like it. Let's go. So, it's already 11 o'clock right now, and I'm going to do my morning drink. For that, I've added few lemon drops and some rock salt. Now I'm going to add hot water to this. So, yeah. So our morning drink is ready. I'll be drinking this and I'll be having some carrot sticks. It's just carrot cut into sticks. That's it. I'll meet you back when I have my breakfast. So when I'm having my morning drink, I'm also going to show you how to make soya. It's basically called soya masala because I only add soya and masala to it. So I'll show you how to make that as well while I'm drinking this. So yeah, cheers. So we've taken a bowl of water and we're going to heat this. So once the water gets really hot, I'm going to add in soya into it. And by the way, guys, I also got a comment saying, what about the hair loss that we face during the weight loss journey? First of all, it's not weight loss, it's fat loss. And when you're doing fat loss, and I gave you the entire diet chart, right? So everything that is mentioned there has amount of protein in it. So if you're consuming enough amount of protein for your body, I don't think so you should be afraid of the hair loss part because it won't happen if you're getting your nutrients right, if you're getting your protein intake right, then I don't think so there's any hair loss that is happening. So make sure you have your right diet and protein rich diet, zinc, vitamin B12, all of this needs to be taken care of in your diet. Only then you can expect no hair loss at all. It'll be a healthy weight loss. I wouldn't say weight loss, fat loss. It would be a healthy fat loss. So yeah, make sure you keep your diet right. And also, in case you're having hair loss during your fat loss journey, make sure you also consult a doctor so that you know what is wrong. And if you need any vitamins or any supplements, they're going to give you that. So that is what I wanted to clear. And about the skincare, I got another question regarding the skincare, which I'll be making a completely different video. But to give you a overall view of it, I just want you to make sure that your diet is right. If your diet is right, then your hair loss, your nails, your skincare, everything is fixed with your food intake itself, with your diet. Your diet is basically the answer for all of your problems. That's it. So it's 70% diet and 30% workout. I've also told you this in this video. You can go and check it out if you haven't yet. I have two different videos for fat loss, so you can absolutely check that out as well. But now let's continue making soya. I think the water is hot now. Let's go. So like you can see, the water has started to um, get hot. So I'll start putting my soya into this. So when it's kind of boiling, your soya is also sort of cooked and the water is absorbed by the soya. That's the whole point. So now let me put soya into this. I'm just going to take so much soya since it's breakfast. This is all I can have. It'll become very soggy and it will be very soft once once the soya absorbs the water. It will get a little more thicker and softer. So I'll show you how I make the masala. Also, after this is absorbed all the water, we are going to squeeze the water out of this and then make the masala. So I'll show you the process. In the meanwhile, I'm going to have my carrot sticks. You can see it kind of foams out so that you know that it's getting prepared and it's almost done. Okay, let me show you how this looks. Look at this. It's getting softer and it's also getting cooked. So once it's completely done, let's squeeze the water out of this. We've taken a pan. Let's add a little bit of oil. Not going to add in too much oil, just spread it over. Make sure you add very less oil as possible. Now we're going to add in our soya. I like to have it crispy, so let's just fry this until it actually gets crispy. It's gotten a little crunchy. Let's add some salt, little a little bit of chili powder. I'm also going to add some peri peri. Let's lower the flame. It's getting. I'm also going to add some peri peri. Going to give it a. If you don't like the dry soya, then you can also add some curd to it, which is also really good. So our breakfast is ready. Basically, it's soya masala and carrot sticks. Let's add some lemon to it. It'll taste even more better. So basically, this is what I'm having for my breakfast. I really need the protein in today because I'll be working out. I'll also be going out to my granny's place. So we're still going to have home cooked food, but it's good to take in protein beforehand if in case I cannot fulfill my protein intake there. So it's here. So don't forget to work out, and I'll see you during the lunch. Bye.
ಮೊದಲು ಮಾಡೋಳು ಈಗೇನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಚೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಎಸೆಯೋದು.
ಬರ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೆ ನಡೆ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹತ್ತು ನೀನು. ಹಾಯ್.